Most curated list of software development outsourcing trends and tips. IT sector is currently recovering, and it's forecasted that the trend will continue with an estimated 5% CAGR, reaching its pre-pandemic position by 2024. To remain competitive in the ever-changing business landscape, you must know the top software outsourcing trends to come in the next 3 years. Rise in total IT spending. IDC estimates that the IT industry will accrue revenues of $5 trillion by 2022 to 2023, representing a 4.2% growth. Remote work extension. Remote work has resulted in increased productivity, due to which companies prefer hiring remote workers. Increased demand for cloud services. It is a great solution for companies due to its low overhead and monthly payments. Specialization in software outsourcing. Offering high-quality services to businesses could be provided by an outsourcing company with experts in several different fields. Talent over cost. The outsourcing of software resulted in lower costs, greater access to highly skilled labor, and a headcount reduction. More sales by e-commerce. According to Statista, by 2023, online sales will account for 22% of all retail sales. Artificial intelligence to gain attention. AI will be increasingly prevalent in e-commerce and software development, from chatbots to custom shopping suggestions. Security is a great concern. Outsourcing cybersecurity will be a top priority to eliminate risks and ensure the confidentiality of company data. Are you ready to take your business further using these software outsourcing trends? If yes, then connect with leading software experts at Value Coders.